Hey guys, my name is Bhavesh and welcome to Built on Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a banner on your Shopify store. But before that, if you haven't already signed up for Shopify yet, I'll put the link in description which will provide you the best deal that is currently available. So let's get started. First, we'll click on the online store, and as you can see, I'm using the free Dawn theme, and I'll show you how you can customize the banner on this theme. But if you want to do it for any other theme, the steps are the same. Let's click on customize. This will take us to the customization section of our Shopify store. Now here, as you can see that I already have a banner, but let's say I want to change it and try something new. So I'll click on this banner, and here I can change the image. I'll click here. Either I can select from a library of photos that I already have uploaded, I can explore free images, or I can connect it to a dynamic source. Let's explore the free images for now. Let's say I want to have an image of a living room. Here you can see that I have multiple pictures to select from, and all these pictures are high quality images. Let's say I select this, and as you can see, it gets updated here. But for now, since I already have an image, I'll go back. I'll click on change, select from library, and I'll upload the picture here. Now let's click done. And just with that, my banner has been changed. Now since I don't have any text here, I'll show you how you can do that. But before that, if you want to add multiple images, you can do that by selecting the second image. And let's say I want to use this one. So as you can see, two images have appeared. Since I don't want this, I'll just click on change and remove. You can add an overlay to the image by dragging this slider here. Let's say I want to keep it to 30%. You can increase or decrease the height of the image from here. And if you want any animation, you can add it here. So as you can see, it adds a cool parallax effect. Since we don't have any text on this image right now, let me first show you how you can add that. So for that, we'll click back, and here we'll add a block. You can increase the size of it or even make it bold. You can also add a call to action button by clicking the add block section and selecting buttons. Now as you can see, there are two buttons here, but we can change that by going to the button section. Let me change the text here. And for the second button, since I don't want it, I'll simply delete the button label. And you can see the button is gone. For the purpose of this video, I'll not customize the text or the button, and let me quickly show you how you can change some of the text and button settings back in the banner section. So let's go back to image banner. And let's see how we can customize the content position on the banner. So from the position section, you can select where you want the text and the button to appear. And once you select that, you will see that the text and button has moved. Now you can also change the alignment. You can make it either left, center, or right. Or you can also add a container behind the text and change the color scheme of it. Now you can also work on the mobile layout of it, but I'll not be doing that in this video. I hope you understood how you can create a banner, add a text and a CTA button to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you haven't already signed up for Shopify yet, check the description for the best deal that's currently available.